Okay, this is the video to help you out if you are writing your mini research paper on the wife of Bath's tale. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into Canvas, and this is assuming that you are starting from scratch with your paper. If you have already done your research organizer, you can probably skip part of this video. You should open 4 things for the wife of Bath's tale. You want to open the wife of Bath PDF, which will look like this for you. You're going to want to open Wife of Bath outline. So you're going to click on that, and you have 2 links here. You want to open both of them and make copies of them. So this is important. So you can't use this, you can't write on this initial one. So you're going to have to go to File, make a copy into whatever drive you're most comfortable with. Maybe your school drive, maybe your personal drive, it doesn't matter. So you make a copy of this. It says information about the role of women in medieval society at the top. You're going to click the link below where it says gender pre-writing, and it's called mini research essay pre-writing sheet. And you're going to do the same thing. File, make a copy, save to whatever drive you're comfortable with. And then finally, the last thing you want to open is you're going to say File, New Document. It's going to say Wife of Bath's Tale, ACES paragraph. And then don't forget to put your name either in the title or on the document. So I'll put my name in the title, Miss Delancik. Okay, but we're going to put that last. So the first thing you want to do is go to this information about the role of women's medieval society. We did part of this in class, but if you missed class, what you're doing is you have 3 sources here about women in society, and you have some guiding questions here to help you out. So for example, source A, it says, what does the information in the encyclopedia article below reveal about the status of women in medieval society? And you're going to highlight 2 quotes that prove your point. So you have to go through and maybe find a quote, 2 quotes for this source that you think are the most important and show us how women in medieval society were viewed or valued. So let's say that you think this quote is the most important thing. You're going to highlight that by going up, clicking the highlight button. Remember, you have to do that 2 times for source A, and then you have 2 more sources. You have to do it. As you can see, I've already done it for source C for this one. Once you have 4 highlighted quotes, you're going to, for each one, you're going to copy it. You're going to go over here to the top part of your chart where it says research material, and you're going to paste those quotes in there. As you can see, 1 has already been done for you. So you should have 4, but really you just need 3 because 1's been done. So you should have 4 quotes up here at the top from your information. So we can X that out once you're done with it. Then you're going to go into the Wife of Bath's Tale. And then we have to go to the second part of the chart where it says, how are women portrayed in the Wife of Bath's Tale? If you want, you can go into your Wife of Bath's Tale worksheet that you turned in, because we definitely pulled some quotes there and have some key ideas there that show how women were portrayed. But you're going to have to find 2 quotes with line numbers that show how women are portrayed in the Wife of Bath's Tale. And you can see some line numbers have already been given to us here. So let's go to those lines, 213 through 216, and see what we have there. So it says, a woman wants the self-same sovereignty over her husband as over her lover. He must not be above her. So that tells us women want equality in their marriage. So that's a good quote to use. Unfortunately, you can't copy and paste from this PDF. So I'm just going to have to copy it myself. So I'll just do, a woman wants self-same sovereignty. And then I will type out the full quote there. And I already have the line numbers here. And then I just have to do that for 1 more quote. And make sure you're putting the line number. So I'm going to go back to the text, find 1 more quote that I think is important, and paste it in there. So then I have the top part, has all 4 quotes from my information, my research document. And then the bottom one has 2 quotes from the Wife of Bath's Tale. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to submit this, because this is for a grade. And then I'm going to show you how to use this to write your ACES paragraph, which is the bulk of your research paper.